how to turn on or turn off swipe to call or text on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we now scroll down and tap on Other Call Settings. Next, tap on Swipe to call or text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. For more information, tap on the left-hand panel. Here's the info or contacts. Swipe a contact or right or number right to call them or left to write them a text message. So if we go back here and then go to contacts, you can swipe across to send a message or swipe right to call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.